Do you know the inside layout of this house? Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand, so the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen in this video, I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside, so we have living plus kitchen come dining area here. The size of this area is 15 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 4.57 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, TV unit arrangement, and we have a kitchen counter here with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a dining counter with 2 chairs and a washing machine arrangement, and we have 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside, so we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of this washroom is 4 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 1.21 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.